mistakes you should not make as a beginner to skincare. The first one is using acne skincare products when you have no active acne. I understand that you are scared that if you stop using the product, the acne is going to come back, but that is not true. Now that those products have successfully cleared your acne, it's time to take a break and switch to more hydrating products. The second one is not using sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the most important steps in your daytime skincare routine. Using sunscreen can help prevent your hyperpigmentation and dark spots from getting worse. Sunscreen can also improve the health and overall appearance of your skin. So if you're not yet using a sunscreen as a beginner, it's high time you incorporate the sunscreen into your routine. And the last one is DIYs. As a beginner, I advise that you stay away from DIYs. You should not put things like turmeric, lemon, egg, toothpaste on your skin because they are likely to cause you more harm than good. When I first started doing skincare, I was big on DIYs and I sure learned my lesson. There was a night I used a DIY face mask. Next morning, my face was filled with rashes. So when I tell you to stay away from DIYs, please, because it is for your own good. If you're a beginner and you're not sure of what to use on your skin, feel free to send me a message. Click on the link in my bio to get recommendations.